We're going to Souls Creek Falls today, out in West North Carolina. But if I'm not mistaken, because y'all already know what I use, let's see what the best thing in the world has to say. So we're actually supposed to go down this hill. It's really cool outside right now. I think it's just because of where we're at currently. Because for some reason, North Carolina definitely reminds me of Georgia during this time. If I'm not mistaken, it's only a 0.9 mile hike. Definitely worth bringing the kids out here too. And definitely you can bring your animals for sure. But doesn't this just make you feel like you're in Alice in Wonderland? I would tell you, it's very nice of the locals. They add a little rope right here, so that definitely does help. And I'm sure on the way back, it's definitely gonna be a W of a move. It really doesn't hurt to hold it. Oh, I can't wait to see what this thing looks like though. Because all I know is that on the map, exquisite. I mean, beautiful. I know Hannah told me I gotta quit talking mess before I get down to the bottom, because I always am like, this ain't gonna be that bad. But look at this. The waterfall. Oh boy. Yo, please hold on to this rope. I mean, please hold on to this rope. Oh. All right, that wasn't no joke. That was no joke. I'm about to hold on to this black rope. I mean, we on some real mountain climbing stuff right here. I do believe that I've already failed 4 times since being out here. Why is it so aggressive? We're pushing up on the last little turn. I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty moderate now. Whoever put these ropes here, absolutely goated. I mean, absolutely goated. Because if not, I would definitely, see, would have definitely done about 10. But according to the trails and the sounds I'm hearing, we're definitely getting close. Just a little bit more steepness left. Coming down and instantly seeing this is so dope. I think I'm gonna go with the path least taken. And now I have to parkour this. All right. Oh, I made it through one little thing. Oh no, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Look at this. Jesus. She's roaring. Man, what nature. Nature. Oh my goodness. Even the falls yet, just watch. Gosh, man. Now this is a beauty. So I'm sorry I had to go through that time lapse, but listen, I just made a TikTok video saying that this is exactly what North Carolina's beauty has to offer. I mean, literally, look at that. What the? No, this is creepy. You can tell the hurricane came through here though. All right, let's get back to it. What did my camera just do? And that is exactly where we gotta go, up that hill. I don't know if I can do this one-handed, but we're definitely gonna see. I mean, this is literally straight up. Oh. I can get up this one hand and you can do it with 2. Oh, okay. Just look at her. Oh boy. Dear Lord, she's a beauty. And she even brought a little sister with her. Such a W find. Man, what a beauty. Now that was definitely worth it. That was definitely worth that hike. Woo! Gosh, man. And this right here, this is Upper Sauls Falls, baby. Yo, I just saw, thank God for all those years of skateboarding, boy. Thank God for my emo days. Because if I would have been skateboarding back then, boy, I'd have lost my balance right there and it'd have been OV. Hit the waterfall. Oh, see? See the skateboarding, boy. I just saw the coolest little opportunity. You gotta see this. Y'all know that we like to do our little rating. I'm gonna start being more honest about my ratings. Kind of like a Keith Lee. Is that his name? The food dude? Either way, whatever. Listen, I'm gonna start being more honest on my ratings. With the path of walking up it, all the stuff that you gotta go through, and how bad it's destroyed after the hurricane, I give the path itself a 6 out of a 10. But when it comes to this waterfall, the opportunity to be able to go underneath it like that, and just in an overall sense of how beautiful it is, I give it a strong 9. So for this waterfall, it's gonna meet at a clean 8.1, I'll say. Woo. She's an absolute beauty. But yeah, in better news, I never knew that this place would be a waterfall that you could get behind, but you can get behind. And for everybody that likes to do those Instagram photos and those TikTok videos, you can sit right here, put your camera up right there, and you would have some dope shots. I mean, or you can even come like this. But since nobody's ever out here, this is where I'm going swimming. Because you can literally post up right there, no problem. Jesus. But nah, you can definitely do this for a TikTok video or Instagram. Come up here and just sit down, look off, do the little surprise look like you can't believe you just found a hidden waterfall, which I did. But you know what I'm saying? No, watch this TikTok video I'm about to record. This is how people be right here. You ready? How did this cave of an entrance lead to this? Not the entrance that's like a cave. No, that's crazy. All I need is one good sound on here, baby, and it's OV. Look at that. Lord Jesus, now let's remake it for y'all. How did this cave of an entrance turn into this right here? Nah! Nah, tell me that wasn't hard. Hey, tell me that wasn't hard. I'm gonna start adding a piece of advice that I've learned along the way in life to try to help somebody that watches this. And you've got to enjoy your own company. I mean, straight up. Because right now, I'm out here, nobody. Well, it's just me and you, baby. Don't worry about it. I ain't mean to offend you like that. But really just nobody, right? So listen, you got to be able to be in your own presence. No, I just got my sock wet. All right, I got to pose for this thumbnail though. That's the end of this video, baby. So go ahead and cue the outro. But this is Debbie. I hope you're enjoying the YouTube videos. I'm absolutely loving it being able to travel everywhere. If you have any suggestions on where we should go next, drop it in the comments. As soon as you drop it in the comments, we'll make a video about it and we'll shout you out. Adios amigos, this is Soul Falls, baby.